Can you see my slides?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to BRWF, Be Researcher World Forum online training on how to become a researcher. In brief, we tell this course HTBR. Today is the second lecture, and we will going to cover the roadmap to be researcher, what we intended to cover in the last lecture, but we could not make it because the last lectures we discussed a lot of things. That's why we could not make it. Today we'll start with this, and then we know to do research, we must need a research topic, questions, or hypotheses. That's why today we will also discuss research topic selection with different strategies, different techniques, and where to find the ideas or research papers like this. And also we will discuss some research trends in different fields. Honestly speaking, this course, some people thought that I am from computer science. Maybe this course is focused on computer science. Not like that. The Bengali version of this course received 81,000 views, and this course is eligible for any students, any discipline, okay, to learn how to become a researcher from the very beginning. So in the previous lecture, we have covered this course introduction, my brief bio and contact information, and what is research, why research, and opportunities for researcher, motivation to research, paper writing, and study. And I will just quickly review for only 5 to 6 minutes regarding the last lecture. And we also explained in details what are the mission, vision of B Research World Forum, B Researcher BD, and then we what are the expected outcome from this course, and also the course structure, who can join this course, and content to be covered, and lesson planning. Okay, we already know what is BRBD, and then this course is Bengali version available on our YouTube channel. And those who are new and who are viewing this course from YouTube, they are recommended to fill up this form if you are interested to join the live class. Maybe this after this end of this course, then we will again relaunch this course for international audiences. So these are the expected outcomes of this course, and we will achieve it, inshallah, gradually. And these are the contents to be covered in this course, and this is a lesson plan, and we already covered the first, and we are in the second. And we said that research is all about creation of knowledge and or the use of existing knowledge in a new and creative way so as to generate new concepts, methodology, and understanding. And we discussed in details, maybe 30 minutes, what is research. And we said that this could include the synthesis analysis of the previous research to extend that it leads to new and creative outcomes. That means when you want to do research on a specific topic, you must have to analyze or synthesize the previous research, what have been done, what have not yet touched, or what have not yet studied. Then you can focus on the specific area or a specific topic as your research topic. Okay. So we also said that research is an organized, systematic, and systematic way of finding answers to questions. So the main focus of research is research questions or topics. So in today's class, we are going to focus on this research topic or research questions. Okay. So we also discussed about the types of research, and we said it can be categorized in different types. One is pure research, applied research based on application, and also what kind of information we are searching from our research. Then it can be categorized into qualitative and quantitative research. We explained in the earlier lecture. Those who are new, please go through the previous lecture, and you will be clear. And we also categorized, based on objectives like exploratory, descriptive, correlation, and explanatory research. And all the things can be explained in a single picture. Okay, we also discussed why research is important. And we said research is not all about academia. There are many opportunities. We found a phenomena from a research article. And we also said that it is possible to become researcher for any students from any branch, any department. And I have shown that 12 papers, more than 10 papers have been published by the secondary students of CSE department of Chittagong University of Engineering and Technology. I think this is a motivation for you. And they also presented papers in international conferences and nationally and internationally. And one student received the best presentation award as well. So these are the list of the paper published by the secondary students. This is for your motivation. So also the third year student published paper in very high impact journals. So these are some coverings, and I also shared this experience on a webinar organized by Machine Engineering College. So these are the previous content we covered in the previous last lectures. Today we are going to show you the roadmap to be researcher. What is the most expected concepts or lecture and I wanted to know. And the most important thing, the roadmap I will show. I will again show you. It may be almost in all classes because we are going to cover every steps of this roadmap. Then we will also discuss what skills and qualities required to be a researcher. Then we will show you how to search the topic efficiently and how to search your topic or articles. And there are some strategies, logical searching, and research in different fields.